Dear investors, I am Anil Chandalia from PDRL. We are a drone tech startup company. Every day, thousands of drones are flying and capturing images. Generally, one drone captures 10,000 images, and these images are processed for actionable insights pertaining to their business requirements. Friends, drone era in India had just started. It is expected that in coming years, maybe 3 years, 1 billion of drones will be flying and capturing billions of images. These billions of images will require processing at faster speed at an affordable cost. Therefore, presenting AeroMegh, a made in India SaaS product for the world for transforming drone data analytics into actionable insights. AeroMegh is an enterprise ecosystem offering capabilities to fly drones, capture images, process images, and analyze images. I am happy to share that our Indian AeroMegh is already listed in top 3 in its domain on Google search. 20% of drone manufacturers and service providers have already started using AeroMegh. We want to take this market share to 80% so that we can create more time to live for our customers. I request all of you to come and be part of this mission and grow together. Thank you.